Hi guys, welcome back to Sportaria channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to reset Snapchat password without an email. In this case, you can take the assistance of linked phone number to get a verification PIN to reset your account. To learn how to reset Snapchat without an email account, you can follow this video. But before you continue, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First step, you have to go to the Snapchat app. Tap on the login option and simply select the feature of forget your password. From the provided option, choose to reset your Snapchat account via the linked phone number. And then here you need to first enter the registered phone number. Okay. And then you have to tap continue. Later, you can choose to get the verification code via text or call. And I prefer to get via text, via SMS. And the code is already received. You have to enter the code. And that's it. And reset your password. And click continue. And your password has been updated. You have to go back and enter your new password. Log in. And finally, your Snapchat account is back. So guys, that's it. I'll see you on the next video and good luck.